Hi everyone and welcome to another video. I am the Speaking Bear and today's phrase is can of worms. What is happening right now? These phrases are getting crazy. So yeah, a can of worms. It's a metaphor. A lot of phrases are a lot of metaphors for different situations. Try to understand these phrases could be difficult, but don't worry. Right? Just keep practicing them and eventually you'll get there. You'll understand what they mean. The definition of can of worms, starting something that causes a lot of other problems or drama. So let's say you're playing a card game with your friends and in the middle of the card game, your friend says, hey, let's just change the rule. Well, that's not how it works. You've been playing this game following a certain rule. And if you change the rules now, it will cause more problems because people will start getting confused. They will start playing the game wrong. A lot of arguments will happen. So opening up a can of worms will cause more problems or drama. The next example, you're at a family dinner. Someone says, don't bring up politics at the table. You'll open up a new can of worms. Or you'll open up a can of worms. So politics could be a sensitive topic in today's world. And you're enjoying a nice dinner with your friends and your family. And if you bring up politics, there will be a lot of problems. Hopefully not, but definitely drama. Because people have different types of views, they have different beliefs. And if you're having a nice dinner and someone brings up politics, the dinner will change, right? It will be a lot of argument, a lot of disagreements, maybe shouting at one point, right? Politics is a sensitive topic. So don't bring up politics at the table. You'll open up a can of worms. And the last example, you're at a wedding. Now, make sure at a wedding you do not mention the ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend of the groom or bride, right? It will definitely cause problems. So in this example, it says mentioning the bride's ex-boyfriend during the speech would open a can of worms. Again, can of worms is to start something that causes more problems or drama. During the speech, if you do mention the ex-boyfriend, it will cause a lot of problems after the speech. People will start arguing because you're having a great time at a wedding. You're celebrating two people's new journey in their lives. And to bring up something like an ex-boyfriend, it's not necessary. But if you do, you just opened up a new can of worms. You're causing more problems or drama because you didn't have to. So I hope that helped you out. If you're struggling with these phrases, just go back to the beginning. My videos are pretty short. They're less than 3 or 4 minutes. So continue to watch them. So while you're speaking to people, try to practice these phrases. It will really help you understand it faster. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care.